LibKey Nomad is a browser extension which facilitates easy off-campus searching. It helps you to quickly see which articles are available to you through UW libraries. It takes less than a minute to install and automatically integrates with UW library databases. It also scans for full-text availability in publisher websites such as JSTOR, Oxford, PubMed, and much more. To install the extension, let us begin by locating the LibKey Nomad library guide. On the library homepage, click on the open book icon labeled Research, Citation, and Class Guides. In the search bar, type the term LibKey and click Search. From the first search result, click on the term LibKey Nomad. This will direct you to the library guide with instructions on how to install and use LibKey. Under the section labeled Getting Started with LibKey Nomad, look for the link to the LibKey Nomad extension in the first paragraph of the text. Clicking on this link will take you to the Third Iron website, which hosts the LibKey software. Click on the button which says Get LibKey Nomad Now. Select your internet browser. LibKey Nomad is compatible with Google Chrome, Mozilla Firefox, Apple Safari, Microsoft Edge, Brave, and Vivaldi. You will then be prompted to follow the steps for installing a browser extension based on the browser you've chosen. For example, in Google Chrome, you will be directed to the Chrome Web Store, where you can select Add to Chrome. Once the extension is successfully installed, you will be prompted to select your organization. You can search for the University of Wisconsin-Whitewater in the search bar. Once the correct institution has been chosen, you will get a green confirmation box below your choice denoting that your library selection has been saved. You have now successfully installed LibKey Nomad. When browsing UW's library databases or even a site like Wikipedia, look for the box with the LibKey icon, which is usually located on the lower left corner of the page. This is an indicator that there are references in that page which can be accessed through UW libraries. If the software finds that UW provides access to an article, you will see a green teardrop icon next to the article link. You can click on the icon to get immediate full-text access to the article in either PDF or HTML formats. You can learn more about LibKey Nomad and its features on our Tools from Third Iron library guide. If you have any questions, please contact the library. We are happy to help.